Hi there. Part 1 video of how hackers make money says how Vicky lost his confidential informations like credit card number, mobile number to the hacker. If you didn't see that, click on the I button to see that video. Now, in this video let's quickly see what purchase was made by the hacker using Vicky's credit card. Soon after hackers got the credit card number, CVE number, mobile number details of Vicky, they used that card to make some purchase in the black market. One of the easy way to make money is buying and selling electronics and jewelry. It is easy to carry and market is very big to sell. Most of the time it's even hard to find if it's a genuine product or a duplicate stolen product. Here comes the question, how hacker placed the order using Vicky's credit card without any OTP, one-time password. It's very simple, not all the countries do this authentication method. Just by entering your card number, expiry date and CVE number you can make payments. Hacker placed an order for a brand new gaming laptop using Vicky's credit card. Why do they prefer the black market? Comparatively, it's cheap and hard to find the person who's placing the order and selling the product. Few days later, hacker got the laptop delivered to his address. Want to know what hacker did with this laptop? Stay tuned for part 3 of how hackers make money. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.